Hello guys. Hey, I think one of the colleague of mine was asking me about how do you basically create and authenticate in a JSON file for your GCP account, because whenever you're working with Python in order to extract or import or export some of the data using the Google Cloud BigQuery, you'll have to have an authentication key to prove your credentials. So that's a JSON file. So that's something that you'll be using it. If you have ever used Google Cloud BigQuery in Python, you'll know what I mean. It's easier. I think a lot of people think that it's difficult, but if you go to your Google Cloud account, okay, if you click on this hamburger icon and go to IAM and admin, okay, you'll see an option called service accounts. Okay, click on that. Once you click on that, you'll come to this page. Okay, and you will have to create a service account. Okay, I don't have anything over here right now, but you can create a new create service account, so you can give whatever name you want. So for me, like, I'm actually working with Python to connect my GCP account, so I'll say Python authenticate API. Okay, and you can just give for Google Cloud BigQuery, authentication with GCP. Okay, so that's something that whatever you want to write it down, you can write it down just to make sure that you can understand what you're creating this API for. So you just click on create and continue. Now it's gonna ask you for what type of permission you want to give in. So there are a lot of different types. On the basic side, you can do browser, editor, owner, viewer. I would say, like, right now, because I need all the access, I'll take it as an owner, because that's the highest access you can give. So as an owner, you can do whatever you want. You can import, export, you can write, create tables, data sets, all of that good stuff. So I'll give owner as the role. Okay, I'll click continue. Now I think it will ask you service account, user role, and admin role. This is optional, so I don't want to give anything over here. So it says that grant users the permission to deploy jobs and VMs with this service account, or grant users the permission to administrate this service account. You can do this later on too. It's optional right now, so I don't want to do anything right to overcomplicate this. Okay, so click on done. So now you have this new authentication service account created. What you need to do is go to this action option, and then click on manage keys. Okay, and once you click on that, you'll come to this page, manage keys, and then you'll have to click on add key. Okay, create new key, and it'll ask you an option what type of key you want to create, either a JSON file or a P12. P12 for backward compatibility code. I'm not 100% sure where do we use this P12, but JSON is, I think, something that most of the people use for their for work purposes. So I'll just create JSON file. So once you click on create, it'll ask you, like, where do you want to save the file. You may not see this the window that I'm getting. It's like a pop-up window for Windows to let you know, like, where do you want to save it. So you just save the file. Now this file has been saved. I can open, has been created. Again, it's going to be unique for each person. Okay, so that's about it. Hope you like this video. Okay, thank you.